Hi, everybody. Today we are going to write a strong opinion claim statement. But before we start, can please everyone get on to slide 5, which is write a strong opinion claim statement. Okay, while you're going to that slide, please know that on the slide there is a timer so that when you're writing your first task or your second task, you can click on that to keep you focused. In literature, claims have a special function of presenting the author's reasons or opinions, which they then support with evidence and supporting details. Today's brainstorming task, the first task, is you're going to write an opinion claim statement rough draft. Who you think is a change maker. You're going to probably, if you're doing this with me with a video, you're going to start the video and then you're going to pause it. You're going to write the rough draft. You're going to restart the video, listen to the lesson, and then you're going to write a stronger claim statement, who you think is a change maker. You're going to type it here. Again, you have the option to use the 5-minute timer. And just so you have an idea of a good and better claim statement, I'm going to read you my favorite changemaker is Susan B. Anthony because she fought for women's rights. That's not a good opinion claim statement because it only expresses a fact. My favorite changemaker is a woman named Susan B. Anthony who promoted social change through promoting movements to abolish slavery, allow women and men of color to vote, and to improve rights for women, for married women. This is a better opinion claim statement because it expresses how the author feels about Susan B. Anthony and why. It's not the best, but it's better. So each time you make a revision, you can make it better. So this is what we're learning today. So this is where, if you're ready, you're going to pause and you're going to put on the timer and you're going to type. And you're going to come up with a rough draft of the change maker that you had chosen from one of the people that you advocated for up here. And your best choice is on slide 4, and you have reasons you can add into your claim. So take a few minutes and write your claim statement. Okay, now while you pause that, I'm gonna go here and I'm gonna give you a little tutorial on how you can edit and revise your strong opinion statement. So I'm going to go back up here and I'm going to take out of the essay the opinion claim statement. I'm going to copy and paste it in the first task. And then I'm going to put it under here in the second task because this is where I want to revise it. So the first thing I want to do is I want you to think about the rubric. It helps you, it guides you, and aids you in your writing. So what we're looking for is supporting details to show perceptive evidence of critical thinking and analysis to accurately define and explain reasons. Right here, when we talk about the rough draft and colors, we're not doing that yet. We haven't opened the rough draft. You want to be able to justify opinions, reasons, and evidence with perceptive examples and explanations. Effectively uses transitional words, phrases, and clauses to link sections of writing. That's when you are doing your actual paragraph. Selects extensive 3 or more relevant, direct quotes to develop ideas. You need that in the whole entire essay. And justifies the reason with evidence and 3 supporting details. Again, this is for the whole essay. So here, when you're writing your claim, opinion, statement. I want you to think about using strong, purposeful words that make the reader know that you are serious, like incredible, admirable, exceptional, outstanding, tremendous, need, advocate, must, organize, productive. Now, it could be a noun, a verb, an adjective that's strong. So here I gave you an example. Instead of should read every night, use must read every night. When you use the stronger words, it makes the reader know that the author is serious about what they're thinking. And another tool you can use is use the dictionary tool in Google Docs to revise word choice. Your claim is proven with reasons and evidence, such as facts, data, actual events, and use the definition of the change maker in your statement. So here I put down some traits, personality traits of a change maker: curious and creative problem solvers, risk takers with confidence and courage, desires to change, make changes in the world, and makes that change happen. Okay, so if I look at the first task, so I took my rough draft. My favorite change maker is a woman named Susan B. Anthony, who promoted social change through promoting movements to abolish slavery, allow women and men of color to vote, and to improve rights for women. So if I look at it, I'm like, I know right away I see promoted and promoting. So I don't want to use the same word twice. So here I go. We're going to use the second, use the dictionary tool. So I'm going to click on promoted, and I'm going to go to tools, and I'm going to go to dictionary, and it says promote. So what's another word that I can use? Okay, encourage, foster. Oh, look at they have the word advocate. So I'm going to use that one. So I'm going to go down here to the edited one, and I'm going to write advocated through social change through promoting movements to abolish slavery. Allow, that to me sounds passive. I want a stronger word. So again, I'm going to highlight, and I'm going to go to tools, and I'm going to go to dictionary, and allow. Permit is, that's what makes me think of allow. Let's see, legitimize, grant. I like that one. So I'm going to write to grant. Now I'm going to read it again. My favorite change maker is a woman named Susan B. Anthony, who advocated social change through promoting movements to abolish slavery, to grant women and men of color. I'm going to put in the right to vote. All right. And to improve rights for married women. To me, that's clearer. And then I have to look at, is the definition of the change maker in here? And it isn't. It just says my favorite change maker is. So I'm going to get rid of this. A woman named Susan B. Anthony was a risk taker. And to make it stronger, I'm going to say courageous, who advocated social change through promoting movements to abolish slavery, to grant women and men of color the right to vote, and to improve rights for married women. To me, this sounds stronger. So it probably took maybe 5 minutes, the length of the timer if you chose to use it. So I would have the first task and the second task typed in here. And I hope that you learned some reasons how you can strengthen your opinion claim statement. And that's it for today. And we will move on to starting the draft in the next lesson. So thank you for listening, and you got this.